I would like to quit smoking because I know it'd be a lot healthier for me. My chest is really bad, I need to stop for my chest. I'm starting to age a bit more in the face. I've got 2 friends who stopped smoking using hypnotherapy. On a work night at the club, I'll smoke 15 or more. I've had patches, I've had the inhaler, I've had the chewing gum. Nothing's worked so far. I used to walk around with chewing the chewing gum and puffing on the inhaler.
I want you to also see the consequences of remaining a smoker.
Smoking is my bad habit and I need to get rid of it somehow, and nothing else has worked so far.
Do you think that smoking actually does relieve stress?
If I'm honest, no. It obviously doesn't. It costs so much money to smoke. My chest is tight constantly. I'm constantly bringing up mucus. My teeth, people used to make jokes about me and say you could do the Colgate advert. Now, I couldn't do that. It's disgusting. And plus, I can't be a good role model to young people.
You're only ever dealing with 1 to 2 minutes of discomfort. And you can tolerate that, can't you?
And I'm short of breath quite a lot of the time. I want to go back to the gym.
Now, you've thrown away the cigarette. And you can have all these benefits. They just come with it. Close your eyes, get nice and relaxed. Allow your mind to clear. Whiter and whiter teeth. Breathe in the fact that you are a wonderful role model to young people, using the money that you have on better things. Improve fitness. So much more motivation to play sport and to exercise. You're going deeper into that part inside your mind that is going to allow you to be and remain a non-smoker forever, winding down more and more. You can achieve anything. Anything you set your mind to, and so on and so forth, all the way throughout your life. So comfortable, so relaxed. They take you more seriously. So much better health. Look how bright you look how vibrant you look. See yourself up there doing this. It's great to have more money in your pocket. It's fabulous. It's actually easier in the long run to throw away a cigarette and to gain all these benefits. Well, they're yours. When you were younger and running, and well, it's like that again. Now this real vibrant, bright mind, alert, alive, feeling good. You have all those endorphins going around with all this improved fitness. You can have it, it's yours. When you're ready, when you've brought it all up, so you can use it, open your eyes and enjoy the journey on this brilliant road of being a non-smoker.
Wow. It's really strange. I actually just feel like I don't smoke. Well, I don't smoke anymore. It's quite strange how 1 minute I did and now I feel so strongly that I don't, like I was never a smoker. If you get what I mean, the thought of having a cigarette is just like stupid. I feel really good. In my mind, all this going around is you don't smoke. I actually feel like I don't smoke right now. I was so scared before I came in here. I had people telling me you might not wake up from it. I was awake the whole time. There's nothing to be scared of. Nothing whatsoever. I even feel like I could go and get in an aeroplane right now, and it wasn't even a get on an aeroplane hypnotherapy session, was it? No, but it's true. I feel like a new person. I feel so positive. I feel really confident right now. I don't know why. It's just one of those things. It's another plus. See, you get more than you bargained for when you come here. It's great. You get more for your money.